Sunday morning. Here, lunchtime, we are in North Rock School of Deaf and Blind. So, that's one, Royal Institute for Deaf and Blind Children. That's a school. Okay, they have a, they have a garage sale today, so we're happy looking around. So now we want to see what's interesting today. This is all books. I don't know what's this. Brick and Bra, the Beatles. Yes, many interesting today. So glad we went out. Yeah, just looking what's okay, shirts and something, things and many things. Okay. Here's your plate. This is like a flea market, you know, they call it a garage sale where they sell second hand, all second hand. Some are brand new, but mostly it's second hand. So if you want to buy a cheap stuff and you're in a budget, come here and you can buy. And you can find interesting here, some interesting things. Yeah.